Good morning, everyone. This is my second video of short forms. As you can see, there are some short forms written over here. Cannot, can't. We have we apostrophe ve. I am. I apostrophe m. On the other side, as you can see, will not, won't. I would, I apostrophe d, I would. You will, you apostrophe double L. So basically, short forms help us to write two words together in a short way. Okay, we use short form. When we need to write short forms, we use apostrophe. As you can see, the sign in the spelling of can't, CAN, then the sign is apostrophe, then T, can't. Now here we have some questions. Let us try to write some of the words in contracted form. Let's read out this conversation. I have already underlined what we can change into short. For what we can write the contracted form. The other name for short form is also contracted forms. So let us start. Sarada, what are you going to do after school? Usha, I will go home and take rest for an hour. I will, and the short form will be I apostrophe LL. I'll go home and take rest for an hour. You have to write the whole sentence as it is by using the short form of I will. You don't have to write the full name I will. You just have to write I apostrophe LL. Sarda, then when will you cook supper for your children? Usha, I need not cook today. I have made some pulihora in the morning. We will eat it for supper too. Here in this sentence, there are three contracted forms. The first one is need not. We would write as needn't. Then I have, we can write I apostrophe VE. I have. Then we will, we apostrophe LL. We will. Coming to the next question, the next sentence. Sarda, forgot to tell you this. I planned a quiz for 6th class children. Are you coming tomorrow? Now, Usha, I will not. I am taking leave for 2 days. Here also we have two contracted forms in this sentence. I will not, we can write I won't. I won't. And I am taking leave for 2 days. Am, I apostrophe M. Sarda, why are you going somewhere? Sarda questions, why are you going somewhere? Usha, I would love to do that, but my mother-in-law is visiting us tomorrow. Here in this sentence also, the first two words, as you can see, I would. You can write it as I apostrophe D, as we saw in that box. Few short forms just now we went through. It is there in that. Now Sarda. When Sarda, then you will have a hard time, I suppose. Here in this sentence, you will can also be written in a short way. U apostrophe LL. Last line, Usha, I do not think so. I do not think so. So do not can be written as don't. DON apostrophe T, don't. So these are the short forms, the contracted forms of these underlined words. Underline is not given. I have underlined myself. If I have missed to do anywhere, if you find more words which can be written as in a short way or in a contracted form, so you can just do that and you can write it in your notebook also, just to have a good practice. So keep practicing at home. Thank you. Have a good day.